Hey there, did you know you can torch calories in just 10 minutes? Yeah, you heard that right. Short workouts can be super effective for burning calories. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the most of those precious minutes. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a quick dumbbell workout that's great for busy beginners. Don't think you have enough time? Think again. This workout is not only accessible, but super effective. Let's grab those dumbbells and let's get started. So what's the plan for today's workout? We're going to do 5 simple yet effective exercises that target the major muscle groups. Each exercise will be about 45 seconds in length with a quick 15-second break. This structure helps ensure that your heart rate stays elevated while maximizing that fat burn. We'll be doing exercises like squats, overhead press, and rows. Each of these exercises is designed to help you build strength and endurance. We're going to get started with a march in place, a simple little warm up to get the blood flowing to our body and get us prepared for the workout. Let's march. It's going to be a quick 10-minute workout. You're going to burn calories and build strength and endurance. Let's add in some arm circles. You may think that 10 minutes of working out doesn't do anything. You are far from that. Let's reverse it. Anytime you work out and you show up for yourself, you are making strides in your fitness journey. 10 minutes a day, 20, half hour, doesn't matter. You are here and you are doing it. All right, let's go into some leg swings. Hang onto a wall and swing. We've got squats, so this will be great for opening up our hips. Switch sides and swing. Hanging on to that wall for the support, for the swing, definitely helpful. All right, let's shake it out. We're going to do each circuit twice. 5 exercises in each circuit. All right, we're going to start with our squat overhead press. Weights above your shoulder, feet hip distance apart. Let's get into it. Squat down, press up, and squeeze the glutes as you reach the top. 45 seconds, you've got this. Press. Keep going. One more. And press. 15-second break. And we'll go into our bent over rows. I like to march in place, get those extra steps in. All right, bent over row. Feet hip distance apart. You're going to hinge forward and row towards your chest. You want to squeeze the shoulders together and bring the weights close up to your body. You don't want the weights flinged out. You want them close to your body. Get that squeeze of your shoulders. You've got this. So different. Squeeze. Kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. Last one. And 15 seconds rest. Next, we're going to go into an alternating forward lunge. You want to make sure that when you lunge, it's about a 90-degree angle on both knees. Let's go. Hold your weights. About a 90-degree angle on both legs. If you're unable to lunge all the way to 90, that's okay. You can do a shorter lunge. If the weights are too much for you, drop the weights and just do the lunge movement. You're still working the muscles. The weights in the hand are just an extra resistance that you can add in. It's not necessary that you hold them. A few more. You've got it. Last one, and time. All right, we're gonna go into dumbbell lifts, feet hip distance apart, knees slightly bent, and you're gonna hinge forward at the hips. Ready? Let's go. So you're gonna hinge forward and reach towards the floor and raise back up.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
Last one. And time. 15 seconds rest. And we'll go into our standing crunches. We're going to start with one side. I'll start with the right. And we'll hit the left side when we do the next circuit. Weight up. Let's go. So you want to take your weight and bring your elbow to meet it to the knee. If you can't reach your knee, that's okay. Go as far as what's comfortable for you. And crunch, you've got it. I want to see those crunches. Whew, almost lost my balance. I'm not going to edit that out because that is reality. That sometimes will happen. And I'm not going to edit this workout for perfection. One more. And time. All right, 15-second break. First round of that circuit is done. We're gonna go into our second circuit. You guys are doing it. Woo! All right, let's get ready for the squat overhead presses. Let's go. Squat, press, squeeze the glutes. You've got it. Almost there. Last one. And rest. A few seconds off, and we'll go into our bent over rows. Remember, if you need a short break, sip of water, go ahead and do that. You can always press pause. All right, let's get into our rows. Ready? 45 seconds. Squeeze, make those shoulder blades touch one another. You've got this. Squeeze. Fifteen more seconds, almost there. Last one, and time. March. A few seconds rest, and we'll be going into our alternating lunges. All right, let's go. We're halfway through, you've got this. A few more seconds, hang on to it. Last one, and time. A few seconds off, we'll go into our dumbbell lifts. All right, feet hip distance apart, weights in front, hinge at the hips, slight bend in the knees, let's go. And up. "45 seconds, you've got it. Few more. Last one. And time. All right, one exercise done and our 10 minutes is up. It is just flying by. We're gonna go into the standing side crunches, but with our left side. Arm up, ready, let's go. You've got it, come on. Keep crunching. This will maximize that fat burn. 10 minutes out of your day, and you are going to be ahead of the game here. You don't need endless hours of cardio. Just focused work, build your journey slowly. Few more. Couple more, almost done. You're almost done with this workout. Come on, couple more. Woo! Let's squeeze in one more. Woo! Drop those weights. You did it. 10 minutes. Let's just do a quick cool down. Let's lean forward and rock side to side. Just a very quick cool down. All right, let's raise up. Let's do a tricep stretch. Put your arm back and stretch that tricep. So you take your other hand and you push against that elbow and get a good stretch in. If you like this workout, please leave me a comment down below what your favorite exercise was, and look at my channel for other fitness videos and fitness tips. Your support means the world to me, and thank you for joining me for today's workout. Remember, stay strong, stay active, keep pushing through. You've got this.